Hello everyone, and welcome back to Jack London State Historic Park and our Take 5 with Jack Wellness series. We are very happy to announce that the park is open again, so you can come and visit. So to stay in keeping with Phase 2 regulations, we will be limiting the entries to a safer number and asking that all of our visitors adhere to social distancing regulations and wear their face coverings. And in light of this change, we're also going to slightly adjust our theme for this video series to include tips on some different activities that can help you to engage with the natural world in more personal and enriching ways, to help boost your health and your happiness. Because nature is an amazing healer and is always ready to support us when we are ready to listen. So today we have brought you to a really peaceful little corner of the lake trail to take advantage of the sheltering of the redwoods so that we can explore connecting through our senses. Because when we can connect through our senses, our physical senses, and actually enjoy our physical senses, some of the benefits of that include improved mood, enhanced relaxation. It helps you to focus on that present moment, lowers your blood pressure, reduces stress, anxiety, depression, possibly enhances immune system functioning, and can even potentially decrease pain. So our tip for the day is actually a little game that I like to play with my students when we're out here on the trail during a field trip. And this is called the sound game and focuses on our sense of hearing. So simply what you will do is sit in stillness and silence for a full minute. Now you can set a timer, you can have somebody do it with you and help you out. Wonderful thing to do with the kids, really fun, but it is also good for you because it can actually help bring you to center and out of a moment of stress or anxiety. So within that minute, you're simply going to, again, close your eyes so that you can isolate your sense of hearing and try to identify as many different sounds as you can within that minute. That's it. Very simple. But I can guarantee you by the end of that minute, you and your children, or even just your children, are going to feel a little bit calmer and a little bit slower. Now this is also a fun thing to do throughout the day. And with kids, you can have them compare their sound list from the AM to the PM. What kind of sounds are present during the morning versus the evening. And they can add sounds throughout the day. So, I encourage you to do the sound game now. If you can't get out to the park, go into your yard or even just an open window and try to focus on those natural sounds. Hopefully this is a helpful tip for you and a fun thing to do next time you're out on the trail. And we're going to leave you now with some beautiful sounds of this forest, and we look forward to seeing you next week.